You're on.
Hi. Today we're making butter chicken. A very easy chicken to make. Also some paneer macaroni. Also very good. We have some boneless, skinless chicken here. Tomato paste. 3/4 cup of cream. 18% milk fat. And some butter. Take 60 grams of butter and throw it in the pot.
Where's the milk?
Always make sure that you cook the rice ahead. Rice is already cooked and done. Beautiful, nice and fluffy. Perfect, water's boiling over here. Start with a hot pan and 60 grams. Remember, it's a butter chicken. It needs to be done very delicately. You cannot burn the chicken.